What'd you say? Ba ba ba. Ba ba. What are you eating? Noodles? With a fork? You're a big girl. Yeah, you're a big girl. What are you eating?
Feet.
Yeah? Ah, wow. Anjali, you're ready to go to college. Are you ready to go to college? Are you ready to go to college? You can eat with a spoon, you can eat with a fork. Hmm?
You. Broccoli.
Broccoli, yeah. Is that your favorite? Are you cleaning up?
Broccoli. Broccoli.